taga Liluan. Hello.
Hello.
Do you wanna play
Play what?
the PK?
Okay, let's try.
All right. Where are you from?
Philippines.
Your name is Looney Friends. It's like Looney Tunes. Looney Tunes.
My name is Alone. Alona.
Aloni. Oh wow. Very nice name. Where are you from, Aloni?
From Philippines.
Oh. Which part in the Philippines?
Cebu.
You don't look like a Filipina to me. You're like someone from Thailand.
Thailand?
Yeah. Okay, okay. Well, what do you do in life?
Work.
Don't you have work today? It's weekdays, right?
Yeah, but I don't have.
Oh,
We are
cool,
here
cool,
in the
cool.
province.
I see. Asa ka dapit sa Cebu man?
Sa Compostela.
Compostela. Pilingan to data.
Where? Sure, oy.
Lagi. Taga, taga ano ko, taga Liluan.
Luan. Okay. Bakit?
I like her. Galing niya, no? Masayahing bata to si Loni. Loni.
Wala kay work today?
Wala ko yung work. Akong work eh. Mamani akong work. Studios mga tao.
Ah, okay.
We watching from Sarangani Province. Benji, thank you Benji. And shout out po kay RJ. Loni, ako niya upload sa akong page, Loni.
Na kay page di ay? What?
Oh,
Unsa man?
ako ang kanang blew up.
Sure.
Same lang niyo, aning TikTok. It's Golden Stream.
Naghanday kag followers? I didn't know nga. Dili kayo ka-familiar but diri gid imong work sa TikTok after minti mag-live?
No, social media is I do TikTok and blew up and YouTube. Yeah. So
Okay.